This is the latest I got in dancehall and social media influencer gossip so far. TikToker Jayden gets dissed wicked after he talks to a married woman and asked her an inappropriate question on live. I'm not surprised this happened because he is always doing the most. Asking regular people how they take taxi and asking call center workers how they work at a call center is one of his ways. He goes around making bread on TikTok. Not to mention his new slang he created that asked if a house can skate pantol. I would never fight against a man and how he makes bread, but the way he's going about is rather offensive. There are people out there that find him funny, but there are others who will not find it amusing. For him to be this disrespectful and disrespecting other people who are doing their regular jobs and not doing what you're doing to get by is definitely not the way to go. Not everyone can be an influencer, and you don't expect them to sit at home and be a bum and pay their bills.
Yeah. I joke me around, bro.
So suppose the woman husband to come out and lick in your face.
I joke me on it, bro.
You keep an eating argument to yourself when you ask a woman, a married woman, you ask a woman if she ever eat.
Everybody knows that I joke me on it. I joke me on it, father.
Listen, brother.
Yeah, what you say, bro, but I joke me on it.
Listen what me I say, and listen me carefully.
Yeah.
You come on Airbnb if you enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Look where you post up with. Like you be the first and the last. You see anything over here, so we know you post nothing for TikTok.
Alright, bro.
You hear that?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Miss Fabulous talks about the time a Jamaican man scammed her. And damn, this is the reality of Jamaica. But some of these Jamaican men, if they aren't dating you to get a green card, it's to rob you, the unsuspecting person, of your cash. Them Jamaican men will use sex to cloud your judgment, so be very careful.
I don't know how many times I'm gonna warn you people, especially foreigners. You lot saw what happened to me last year. You lot saw how a Jamaican man had his girlfriend and betrayed a picture that he wasn't in a relationship, and he scammed me. He took my car, took my iPhone 13 Pro Max. He took 1.8 million Jamaican dollars from me while he had his girlfriend, and they both was in on it together. I cried for 40 days and 40 nights, and I prayed to Father God. And I thank God every single day that everything that man took from me, I got it back, but in double. I thought, watching my story time on what I went through, you females will be more aware of Jamaican men. Now, I'm not saying it's just Jamaican men that scam women and swindle women, but I'm going to speak about Jamaican men because of your situation being a Jamaican man and my situation being a Jamaican man. Now, let me say this. I say this to say that. Foreigners, if you're coming to Jamaica, if you're coming to Jamaica on a holiday and a Jamaican man approaches you, if he is not working, if he's not making his own money, if he doesn't have certain things that you know as a woman you require, please leave that man alone. A lot of these Jamaican men out here will lie and sell you a dream. They will make you feel so special for the whole entire time that you are here. And most of these men have their woman, they have their personal woman that they're not leaving for nobody. And their women most of the time are in on the swindle. So please have your head screwed onto your body. You can come Jamaica and have a good time and treat these men for just a fun time and go back home. Or you can come Jamaica, and if you meet a man here and you lot get together and feelings get involved, you as a woman just know you don't spend your money on him. You let him do more for you than you do for him. Let him be the one to do everything for you, because remember, sir, you're already stable in your life. When you come here, find a man that's doing good for himself, that's working, that has his card. You know, understand? Find a man that's established at least. And if you can't find a man that's established out here, find a man that's doing good enough for himself. at least he can give you 50 in the relationship. But don't come here and get with no little boy that probably is a scammer, that has the teeth money from other people, that, you know, there's red flags. A guy that always asks you to go to the ATM, red flag. A guy that sits down and tells you his sob story about his life and how hard his life is, red flag. Let me tell you something. You know a good man when you meet one. But please do not ignore the red flags, because these men out here in Jamaica are terrible. Their tongue is wicked. They know how to lie, and they know how to swindle the fuck out of you. Please don't come here with the intention of, oh no, I'm not. You should not be giving no man no money in no relationship when you just met a man. I'm telling you this because I made many mistakes and I've lived it and I've gone through it. And I can sit back and look at my mistakes and say, me, never again. Please, I'm begging you. Because the amount of people that are foreigners in my DMs telling me that they've been swindled, like I can do anything about the matter. All I can do is reply back to you and give you words of wisdom. But I can't help you in that situation. Don't take up your money and don't give none of these men your money. If a man can't take you out to go eat food, do not spend money on him. If he can't put nothing towards the table, do not do anything. If you find yourself that is you always spending and you always doing it, then that's not the man for you. In this paragraph, the girl said, oh, that she just wants her money back. Baby girl, your money's long gone. Your money is long gone. That man's not giving you his money back. He's probably used that money to order Sunday dinner for him and his girlfriend. Okay? And when you come to Jamaica, don't spend money on no rental cars for no man. If you're coming to Jamaica and a man knows you're coming, let him spend his money to take out the rental. Let him do everything. You shouldn't be sending no money down to take out no rental because of your arrival. Trust me, I've done that before and it wasn't good for me. But you learn from your mistakes. That's why I can't sit here and I can't laugh at another girl's pain and I can't judge another woman, because I myself went through that.
Internet sensation Ivany writes, still in lockup, and how he has been fighting is hardest to get custody of baby Ice to no avail. The interesting thing is that he was not helping Ivany throughout her pregnancy to take care of the baby, but he is now fighting tooth and nail to keep Ivany from having access to her own child, which she carried for 9 months. Anyways, Ivany disses her friend Toya after she points out that baby Ice as a bald patch at the side of his head. She clears the air for her fans and disses Toya wicked on Cheese Live. Here's what was said.
Yeah. And every day we get called. Every 3 days, every 4 days, every, like, you know?
Actually, personally, let me go madam to call that much. Actually, personally, alone, call. Oh, I'm a deep session of the need. I'm going to call out here and I'm call. I'm not send one to the call and see them. I know if I'm stuck. I mix you. Because I have all the medicine, I need to tell them to say that I pick me and I sleep. Fire the spotlight, I love the media. Every time you call her, she gets on live, a customer, she gets on live, she gets on live for that. You know, I'm saying at the same time, you know, so that I've been put there like that. She needs to go and allow me alone. And come on for me here.
She just come on the live a while ago. She know where she have to say, but she that come up. Me no see it.
She love the spotlight and she love the media. She never let the angle. I'm going to block her for the wall. Before the black her for the top of the she can't. I'm calling me now. I'm not calling her phone now. She don't come because she love the drama. She love the.
Me go Adar Vani. Me ask you Adar.
Yeah, shoot. Then I call her come out and out is true.
Me ask if me for Adar.
When I say Adar, she want to she want a cloud.
Me Adar.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Me never go back and forth with Vani. Here come I know my heart and I know say me's a girl with a clean heart. But me I go show you one something.
I still come and see, I still come talking to you.
Who mute? Are you mute? Toya, you mute. I'm not here. No, you're good.
After I still come, after I come out to you.
Maybe get a call.
Yeah, you could eat it if you want. That where me actually call it. It's my son, like me a bit for 2 weeks in a farm.
Yeah, it's all really like in and out, dumb and up.
Signal, and that's the best on all the tablets. So, if you want to end up again, because show them a free like everything.
Yeah, just me hear this and see this. Me never even know say something like them are things they are going. Cause everybody must know from a baby ear. Me say people know. Baby that ear go grow back. You get me? The ear go grow back. Is either the baby sleep on one side or the baby pick out him ear for him comfort. I know nothing. Never even hear nobody talk about that, to be honest.
I think she should stop explaining herself to people. After being charged for terrorism, it's best she not say anything on any social platforms. So Candy Wow and Randy are still beefing. Randy is still sending threats to Candy after she says that he didn't do anything for her. People have been straight out dissing Randy, telling him they don't like him because of what he did to Candy, and also dissing his living conditions. Randy shows on his TikTok page his mother cooking on a 2-burner stove and drying his clothing in a jerk pan. Boy, as Jamaican people would say, them shame tree dead. These Gen Z Jamaicans never born with shame. This is why they will post their morning face and mouth, water dripping from their mouths, and it's like nothing to them. Not to mention the dirty plates in their sink. One man was cooking on his live, and the rat run fee nipple the chicken out of the pot he had on the stove. Anyways, the people them rub out Randy in his comment section. Here's what was said. Please pause the video and read them. Boy, them style Randy mother away. John O. Star. This is why we have to have a backbone for this social media thing. Because you putting yourself out there, people think it's legal rights for them to disrespect you. Anyways, Randy left the audio message up trying to explain the events.
Somebody getting a candy head, you know. I guess what happened now. Them good I get, cause remember me I tell her say no, listen, the way Osha operate, somebody are getting her head. Me see me I talk to Candy already and she said to me say, you give her money. She get money, you take care of her. But when her sister them come, them take care of money from her. Every minute them come, they want 2,000, they want 3,000, and she have to give each her sister them money. Her daughter, them a send her daughter come for money, and she have to give her daughter money. And them not have no man a store. And I see the evening and stop you. Remember you never know me, you know. I see the evening and stop you and I say, Randy, me I talk to Candy since evening and I'm not telling like I want to run out her eye because she said she missed you and she don't come, where is Randy, where is Randy? More want supplement, I want him come buy me a supplement. And so comes me end up buy her the supplement, you know, come and say, Randy soon come man, Randy soon come. And when I say, you want me buy her the supplement till him come? She say yes. Then she come and she say, alright, you can buy me a sardine and the Irish, I'm say alright. Then when me send go back, then me see her come. And me I talk to her, me I say, brother, they need to keep her sister them away from her because them a come down there and them a take away her money. You understand? And you say, yeah, you talk to her about it. So, oh no, you're not give her no money. And she tell me say you give her money. And she tell me say you take care of her. So where this come from? Yo, the devil is a liar, you know, brother. No make them try destroy, you know. When the devil want to get to your name, them try destroy, you know. And no make the sense to try fight toe to toe with her, you know. You don't want to make she talk. 9 day talk, it must go. You say if you toe to toe with her, it will go continue. You say you don't pay it no mind, it have to go away. Focus for yourself and don't focus on the locals. Candy need help. Candy need mental health. Something wrong with her.
According to Randy, Candy stole money from him. But why didn't that come out first when Candy was saying you didn't do anything for her? Not saying it's not true, but just thinking out loud. Candy have been doing a lot of interviews explaining the whole situation, saying that she wanted to leave Randy and them not wanting her to leave. She also says he has an other relationship, a woman that lives in the United States. She also posted this on her Instagram page about Randy stealing her passport. Boy, it's tit for tat, but I will keep you updated on this drama as it unfolds. Mama Wow had this to say about Randy after he allegedly says he was taking care of Candy Wow's daughter.
Me not even want to say Evelyn. Randy, listen me. And listen this good. You see Candy daughter, don't call her name in a no rubbish.
You can see the rest of the video on Candy Wow's page. I will post the link in my description.
People, can I get a wow?